Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm here with my second of two taste tests for the day. This is the first product first time I'm going to review this product. This is GOYA brand Peach Nectar, or Mellocotan Doranzo. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. This, I don't even want to read these labels, is kind of high in sugar, 37 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, 20 milligrams of sodium, 45 total carbohydrates, total fat 0, yay, saturated fat 0, yay, trans fat grams 0, yay, 180 calories. This contains 41% juice. Expires January 10th, 2017, so you know it's legit. So I'm going to shake this up. This is just pure fruit deliciousness. I like the label. It's simple. GOYA is like the #1 brand, like, ever. Who needs a shake weight when you've got GOYA brand Nectar Peach? Alright, so we're going to try this. I want to give a shout out to Mexican X Connection and J Banks. Oh yeah. It's kind of like a peachy smell to it. Go figure. Pinky's up. It tastes like heaven in a very hard, sturdy can. Oh yeah, this is a very thick murder your enemy can. It really tastes like they blended up 1,000,000 peaches with about 1.5 pounds of sugar. I would give up pop for this. It's worth 180 calories, I'll tell you that. This is like heaven. 45 carbs. I just bit my cheek. It's delicious. I would definitely recommend checking it out. It's like 62 cents or something. It's less than $1 at Walmart. Check it out. It's worth less than $1. It's worth $2. It's a crazy. You can't drink this all the time. It is worse for you than a regular can of pop, but it's delicious and sort of nutritious. So, GOYA brand Nectar Peach. Check this out. Or blend your own peaches very finely. Good to the last drop. If you have something you want me to check out, leave a comment, leave a video response. Hit the subscribe button. I'm sorry for pointing. I'm going to point back at me. Leave a comment. Hit the subscription option. And I will subscribe back to you 100% of the time. And have a great day. If you have something you want me to check out, please let me know. Have a good one.